In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and send an invoice template in PandaDoc using information prepared in Excel. We'll go through the process from start to finish in a simple, practical way so you can build a clean invoice workflow and get it ready to send with confidence. Start by opening Google Chrome and going to PandaDoc. Once you're inside your account, look for the Templates section in the main menu. Click on Templates, then choose Create Template. This gives you a reusable starting point, which is especially helpful if you send invoices regularly and want a consistent layout each time. Using a template also saves time later, since you won't need to rebuild the same invoice structure over and over. Next, prepare your invoice details in Microsoft Excel. This is where you'll organize your line items and customer information before bringing everything into PandaDoc. Make sure your line items are clearly laid out, including the products or services you're charging for, along with any pricing or quantity information you want included. At the same time, review the customer information carefully so everything is accurate and complete before you move on. Taking a moment here to clean up your spreadsheet can help prevent mistakes later in the document. When your Excel file is ready, save it in the format you need, either as a CSV file or as a PDF. Once that's done, return to PandaDoc and upload the file. This step brings your prepared invoice content into your document workflow. If you're using a CSV, it can be especially useful for structured data, while a PDF may be better if you want to preserve the exact layout from Excel. Choose the option that best fits how you want the invoice to appear and function. After the file has been uploaded, the final step is to place the necessary PandaDoc fields before sending the invoice. Add the signature field wherever the recipient needs to approve or sign. Then place your variable fields in the appropriate locations so key details can populate correctly. This is an important part of the setup because it helps make the invoice interactive, accurate, and ready for a professional sending experience. Before you send, take a final look through the template to confirm that the uploaded content appears correctly and that all signature and variable fields are in the right place. Once everything looks good, your invoice is ready to go. That's the full process for creating an invoice template in PandaDoc using Excel prepared information.